interior demo started. This is that porch. This thing is probably coming off. It's sad, truly, because I really want to try to keep as much as I can in this house. It's got some old, real nice charm. Like this staircase, we're gonna try to maintain it as much as possible. We're in the process of finishing out plans, and I'm actually gonna create a video on the plans as well. So this is the first floor right here. Guys are doing a tremendous amount of demo already. The plan for this is when you first come in, there's going to be this door. This is going to be a common space in front of me. And then right here, you're basically going to have the door to the first floor unit. This wall is going to be gone. This is going to be all open up space. Kitchen, living room in the front, bedrooms in the back. And like I said, we'll show you that floor plan as well. We're going to try to, as much as possible, maintain the flooring. I'm pretty sure I can show you a much better photo of the flooring upstairs. Some nice, real nice wide plank floors. They're really beautiful and hard to find, so we're going to try to maintain those. But everything else, I'm going to have to get rid of. This place is... We considered coming in and saving as much as possible, but we ended up just deciding just to go down to the studs, just gut everything and really just start over. It's in really rough shape. So let's take a look upstairs and see what the guys are working on. Oh, they're moving quickly. Pretty much down to the studs up here already. What's going on? Good, good. How are you? Good. You guys are moving fast. So this chimney right here is coming out. This is in the center of the house, which is actually going to allow us to open kitchen living room concept in here. So I'm standing in your living room. Once this chimney is moved out of the way, you'll be able to put basically where that chimney is right now, you'll have a little bit of a bar, seating, and this will be your living open area. This is all part of Unit 2. I forgot to mention on the bottom of the staircase is going to be another door, an entryway coming up to Unit 2. This will be your open living area. There'll be a couple bedrooms in the back. This is really weird, but there's a little bit of a step down here. This is where the addition on the house is going. And then your rear staircase. Didn't realize that the party wall between the two houses was brick. That's actually a good thing for us. And this is going to be your back bedroom back here. And then you'll go up to the third floor. And we'll have a couple more bedrooms and a bathroom up here as well. It looks so much different when it's wide open. The guys are really moving quickly. But this is it's such weird space. It's hard to tell what it is sometimes. But that's why we hire architects to help us see what we can't see. But this is going to be a couple more bedrooms up here and a bathroom. This is going to be actually a massive bedroom right here. I want to say this is like a 10 by 24. That chimney is going to be gone. The bedroom in the back, and then this wall is going to be gone. So this whole space is now one bedroom, leading out to your staircase, and that little space in the back above the stairs is right at the top of the stairs is a bathroom for this particular unit. This is the other side right here. So where this brick wall is, we're going to have to continue this. This is a separating wall between the two units. Between the two buildings, should I say. This is 63 Clifford Street. This is 61 Clifford Street. So somebody took down this wall. We're going to have to put this back up by code. There's going to be a separation between the two units. This is the other side of the building. This is the other two-family over here. We still have somebody living in this particular unit, or excuse me, this side of the building, so we won't be gutting that just yet. But then we have some stuff in the attic up here. So it's underway. It's going to be a really cool project. I'm not sure if you can see these wide plank floors, but we're going to try to save these. These are the one things that we decided to save. And these are going to be absolutely beautiful once they are all cleaned up. So look forward to showing you guys the progress as we go through. But this is where we are right now, essentially week 1 into demo. They'll probably be here for at least another couple of weeks to get it down to really down to the studs, get everything moved out, and then we'll keep working on our plans, submitting our permits, and get this thing back to its former glory. All right, thanks guys.